For this part, let's try to see how we can update a set, add members to it, or merge sets together. Okay? All right, so let's remove what we've done before, which was basically finding if we had an item within a set. And that was from the previous lesson. So let's say we have this set here, and we want to add. So let's go ahead and do my set. Now, since it is a set, if I click on the dot, then you can see that I have many methods to choose from. We will be investigating a lot of these methods as we move forward through all the parts of understanding how sets work. So at this stage, I'm going to use the add. And we're going to add an element. Okay? So what can we add? Well, we can add something like banana. There you go. All right. So can we verify if we indeed have bananas? Right? So we could do a for loop. An item in my set. And then print item. And let's see if we indeed have all the items, including a banana, in there. And sure enough, we do indeed have a banana. There is no order in which it will be stored in the set, as you can see. Okay? And notice now banana is at the top. Okay? And as I run it, there is no specific order. And again, this is a property of a set, right? So it's an unordered list of items. Well, speaking of lists, can I push a list into this? To do that, you're going to use the update. So let's go ahead and do something like this. Let's do dot update. And then we're going to put a list in it. Well, let's have the list first. So my list equals, and we're going to put some items in here, toy, car, and let's put a number 8.3, okay? And in the update, we're going to put my list in there as an argument. Now let's see if we get those items in here. And sure enough, not only do we get orange, apple, and 7, but we also get toy, car, and 8.3 coming in out of a list. Okay, can we do that if this list was another set with the update method? Well, let's try it. So let's call this one my set 2, and let's change that to a curly brace, and let's change this to a curly brace, and let's call this one my set 2, and see what we get. And notice we get a very similar outcome. So you can merge a set or a list to an original set that you already had. Okay? So what else can we do? Well, how about in the next lesson removing items out of a set, 1. Number 2, we're going to do some set operations in terms of unions and intersections, which are used a lot when we do set theories in discrete math. So I will see you then for the next lesson.